It's been little over a week since Hurricane Francine slammed into southern parts of Louisiana, hitting places like St. Mary Parish the hardest. During our coverage, we introduced to you a woman by the name of Tammy Vying, who we couldn't even reach because the water was too high around her home. And since that story aired, the water has gone down, and I finally spoke to Tammy Vying, who says she's no longer trapped inside her home.
Good to be alive, good to be able to walk out without having to step in the water first. I'm free now.
Tammy Vying is no longer stuck.
Yeah, because you couldn't get to me, and when I finally left the house, it was like down here below my knee. But be careful coming down, it's got a slope.
Taking her first steps in her yard, which a week ago looked like this.
Too many water moccasins and snakes.
Today the water is gone.
And be careful, here we got some cypress tree stumps sticking out.
But it left behind a mountain of debris and some damage to the home she shares with her sister-in-law.
The water came in. I had towels, but it wasn't enough towels. I had a couple of big towels that I used, and I put it down here, but it was the same thing. It kept on coming in.
Other parts of the house got water damage too, but there was something else that would be hanging right above their heads.
If you come stand over here, you can get a good shot of the tree that's on top of our roof over here. Thank God we're still alive.
To help Vying, family and friends have pitched in to clean up and to do all the heavy lifting.
But besides the cleanup, as you can tell, it's the water's at the house, and we're making it day by day.
And each day, although she had her own experience, she doesn't forget about the people who also may be down on their luck after the storm.
This right here is coming along, slowly, but they got a lot of other people that have a lot of damage to their homes also. And I pray for them and their families.
Now, Tammy says she's not sure what's next, but she says she'll continue to focus on her health and restoring her home. If you've been affected by Hurricane Francine, you can head on over to our website at KATC.com for more information about relief assistance. But for right now, reporting in Patterson in St. Mary Parish, I'm Paris Flanagan, KATC TV3.